Welcome back. I'm super excited to do this video. I love to clean, and a company by Saker sent me a product, so let's take a look. That's how it came packaged. It's the Saker 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Open it and see what it looks like. Has this picture on the side. Let's take a look inside. Wow. Very nicely packaged. It came with a nice soft bag. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Vacuum. I think it's a filter. Charger. Here, let me set this stuff out so you can see it right here. I think here's some attachments. Oh, these little brushes are so cute. Another attachment. I think that's another attachment, and I'm not sure what this is yet. And the instruction manual. After looking at the manual, I can now name the parts. Oh, okay, I love this manual. It is colored. Let me show you a couple of the pictures before I explain. Love that. That is excellent pictures. Okay, so anyways, now that I know what these are, the machine, floor brush, this is the stainless steel filter screen, the storage bag that everything's on. What I didn't know, the air extraction nozzle, the USB charging cable, the short blowing nozzle. So I just found out that this is not only a vacuum, but it's an air blower too. So that is fantastic. The flat section brush, then the long flat section brush, or I'm sorry, we have this with this, goes with this. The pipe blowing round brush, which is this, and then the long blowing pipe. Like I said, I'm super excited about this. I love to clean. Now let's see what we're gonna do to get it charging. Okay, this is super easy to charge. So we'll take the USB cable, and at the bottom is where you're gonna plug it in it. And when it turns green, it means it's fully charged. So let's go plug it in. It's the next day. I decided to let the vacuum charge overnight, so let's go get it. When the light turns green, it means it's fully charged. To turn the machine on, you hold the power button for 3 seconds, which will also put it in the low mode. Then you press it again, it will go into the high mode. Then you press it again to turn off, so I'll show you. That's the low mode. That's the high mode, and that turns it off. This little machine has 3 different uses. It can be a vacuum, an air blower, or an air extractor, and I'm gonna demonstrate each method. Vacuum without an attachment. The long flat suction attachment. Long flat suction with flat brush. floor attachment. Switching to the air blower mode, so we'll need to take this off. And I'm gonna turn it behind, and I'm gonna add this short blowing nozzle. The long blowing nozzle. Long blowing nozzle and round brush. Air extractor mode, and it goes back to the front. I really didn't have anything to extract air from, so I'm going to use this plastic baggie. Overall, I really love this product. Like I said, I love to clean, and this is handy. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of the dirt and debris inside. I hope you enjoyed the product review over the Saker 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, and I will leave a link to the product in the description box down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.